Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the FPS drop test in the Realme GT Master Edition in the bootcamp. So right now, as you can see friends, after the recent Realme UI stable update, I'm getting so many comments regarding the Battlegrounds mobile game FPS drop test. So this is the Realme GT Master Edition which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration. So right now I'm trying to use the settings of Smooth and XM settings, and I'm trying to play the gameplay. And let's see how is the gameplay going to be there in the bootcamp. And right now FPS did drop up to 54 FPS is the lowest value which we did see. As you can see, 54 FPS. But I'll try to play the game couple of minutes, classic game. Even the team deathmatch also I'll try to play the game. We'll try to find out how is the overall FPS is maintaining in the Realme GT Master Edition. Right now it was able to maintain like 60 FPS. It's maintaining consistently. As you can see friends, right now FPS how it's kind of maintaining. Let me to use this gaming triggers. So let's use this. Yeah. Right now, as you can see, it was able to maintain 60 FPS. So this is the second time FPS drop test which I'm trying to do in the Realme GT Master Edition. So first time the FPS drop test did drop up to 54 FPS. And after this, I'll try to play the normal match. So team deathmatch. Right now, you can see the FPS dropped to 50 FPS as well. Right now, the phone battery percentage is about 97% at this moment when I'm trying to make this video. 97% as well. As you can see, FPS did came close to 57 this time. So it's maintaining 58 and 59. 56. So for friends, 56 is the lowest value which we did see in the Realme GT Master Edition during this process of demonstration. Right now, as you can see friends, I'm trying to play with a normal team deathmatch. Let's see how is the overall experience gonna be there during this process of testing. So till now we did play the normal classic match, right? Now we'll try to play the 8x8 match. Let's see how is it appear. I'm going to clip this finger sleeves properly. Yes, now it should be kind of good. So right now it's maintaining 58 FPS. As you can see friends, overall the FPS it was able to maintain pretty good. 60 FPS. As you can see friends, 59 FPS I'm getting exactly right now. 59 and 58. So it's maintaining pretty good regarding the FPS Overall, nothing much major problems.
Expired. Dead. Killing spree for the red team. Target down. No mercy. Clear.
So it's a quick gameplay review on this Realme GT Master Edition while playing in the. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching a state of more updates. A quick batting on mobile game FPS drop test in the Realme GT Master Edition after the recent software update, and overall the phone was able to maintain pretty good regarding the FPS. Nothing much huge frame drops I did not observe at this moment in the Realme GT Master Edition. So meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until next state of more updates, and bye.